what's up? Welcome to an interesting video today. I'm canceling my Roadster. You remember back when I rode in the Tesla Roadster, it cost me $5,000 just to ride in the thing. And then a week later, I put down a $45,000 deposit so that I could have my reservation for the base model Roadster. Well, it turns out enough of you guys are so incredibly awesome that you used our referral code to buy your own Tesla, which congrats, I hope that you're enjoying it, and I hope that these videos helped you in your decision-making process, so thank you for using the code, which it's right here if you want to use it, if you're still thinking of buying a Tesla. Shameless plug there. As of today, you can see 55 deliveries. 55 is the magic number. Your first 5 are the regular benefits that you get in the referral program, and then if you get 50 above that, you get a free Founders Series Roadster, which would come before the base model that I already ordered. So, there's no point in having $50,000 in Tesla's bank account when I'm already going to be getting a free Roadster. So I'm gonna show you the process of what it takes to actually cancel my Roadster deposit because I don't know yet. I did take one step already. I called the local Tesla store and they told me you can't do it at the Tesla store, you have to call their number that's on the website. And there she is, a beautiful red Roadster. Production's expected to begin in 2020. And then it has a phone number. For immediate assistance, please contact 888-51-TESLA. Let's do it. This really is the first time I've called them about this, so I don't know what's gonna happen here, but canceling my Roadster deposit.
Thank you for calling Tesla. For vehicle sales, please press 1.
1.
For sales and existing orders, please press 1. For service,
That's it.
for questions on existing orders without a scheduled delivery date, press 3.
Yes.
Thank you for calling Tesla. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an order for a Roadster that I put down a down payment for, and I wanted to cancel that.
Okay, what's your RN number?
It is 52. That's a long pause. I wonder if they get this call very often. Watch it just drop. Oh, and by the way, this is Lincoln's setup in his office. Sorry about the Fortnite dabbing guy right there. This is just what Lincoln had set up. Still on hold. I really don't know what's happening. Like, all I said was I need to cancel it, gave him my number. It's been over a minute. Just, she said okay, and then nothing. Is she like finding a manual, like talking to her manager? What do we do when somebody wants to cancel? Who would cancel the most beautiful and fastest production car in the history of Teslas? Watch like Elon Musk get on the phone. Hi, this is Elon. Why are you canceling your order? Still waiting. She didn't ask me a question. Oh.
Thank you so much for holding. Okay, it looks like your down payment is still a reservation.
Mm-hmm.
And you can cancel that reservation yourself online.
Yeah, when you click on manage, there's no clickable box anywhere. It just has this phone number along with the reservation.
Okay, thank you for telling me that. I'll call the accounts team. Hold just a moment.
Cool, thanks.
You're welcome, not a problem.
Okay. By the way, the music that's playing, probably gonna hurt me for copyright, but it goes along really well with this dancing guy. Listen. How long does it take to cancel your Tesla Roadster? Well, we're about 12 and a half minutes in. I'm really curious to see what they're gonna do with the money. Like, do they wire it to me? Do they need my wire instructions? Do they mail me a check? Do they say, here's a gift card to buy a future Tesla? I don't know. But I'm loving this dabbing Fortnite guy. While we have time, while I'm waiting, what would you do if you earned a free Roadster and you had a deposit on a base model one Would you do what I'm doing and cancel it and get the money back? Also, I think I'm at 62 referrals, so I'm 7 more into possibly getting my second free Roadster. And the thing goes away possibly on December 31st. I'm sure there will be some sort of referral program afterward. I would love to get to 105, obviously get 2 free Roadsters. Not sure what I would do with both of them other than have a blast and burn out lots and lots of tires and hopefully not crash one. But it would be cool to get a free one. I mean, that's incredible. Mama say, Mama say, Mama say. 16 and a half minutes in. I don't think very many people cancel Roadsters. They're trying to figure out what the heck to do because most deposits for the S, the X, or the 3 are really not that much money. It's like, I think $2,500, maybe $5,000. So when you're looking at a deposit of $50,000 for a reservation, that's a lot more, and it probably has a different way of paying out. 20 minutes in, still got some great hold music.
Thanks so much for holding. I just wanted to let you know what's going on.
Okay.
So, because you have a Roadster, your cancellation process is a little more specific than how we normally do it. So I am emailing our refund team directly. They're more than likely going to be emailing you and confirming how you want this money refunded to you, when you can expect it, and how many days it's going to take.
The reason why I'm canceling is because I've earned enough referrals to get a free Founder Series Roadster.
Okay.
And so, like, I don't know, is there a way to just, like, refund the money but keep the reservation or something?
And honestly, it makes sense why you're canceling. So
Yeah.
put that in your email to our order ops refund team.
Okay, fantastic.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Not bad. 26 minutes. So there we are. I finally told her at the end of the call that I'm canceling. I thought maybe she would ask at the beginning, because you know, like when you cancel certain things on the phone, they ask you like, well, why are you canceling? And they try to like convince you to stay with it. She was just, I think, so taken back. Like, first of all, why is somebody canceling the Roadster? That's a beautiful car. Second, that's a lot of money. Third, I've never had this happen before. What do I do? It's not on the website. I gotta call somebody. So I'm sure she was a little stressed out. I'll jump back on this video once I get the email and maybe explain more of the process and see what happens, because I'm sure you want to know, like, how do you cancel your Roadster, and can you? What's the process? That's kind of the point of this video, of showing you guys. So after a good 30 minutes, still don't have the answer to that, but we're one step closer. Okay, it's been about an hour and I did get an email from that nice Tesla employee. So I have communicated directly with our order ops team. They are currently processing your refund request and need a confirmation of your mailing address, okay? As your reservation is over 1 year old. Holy moly. And it's still not out. Like, I talked to Franz, the chief designer, when I was at the Boring Company event, and he didn't seem to think it was gonna be like any sooner. I was kind of hoping like 2019 we'd get surprised with the Roadster. He didn't say either way, but I got the impression that it's definitely 2020 still, at least. Your refund will be sent to you by mail, so they're not wire transferring it to me. What? You'll receive it 20 business days after it has processed. 20 business days. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for being the best part of Tesla. I'm the best part of Tesla. Okay, that's nice. That's almost a month to get your money back, which I think is interesting considering when we needed to make the deposit, we had 10 days to wire transfer in the money, the only way to send the money to Tesla, and they're just gonna mail me a check sometime in the next 20 business days. I don't think I'm gonna hold on to this video until I get the refund, so I just wanted to show you the process that hopefully I'll get it. So you can follow me on Twitter or Instagram, and I'll post when I actually get it. And by the way, I do have something really fun to do with the $50,000. So that video is going to come soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and get ready to see what I'm gonna do with this $50,000. That was my Roadster money. Thank you, Tesla, for making amazing cars. Please get the Roadster out soon. Thank you to all of you for allowing me the chance to cancel this reservation so I can get a $250,000 car for free, other than the taxes I'll have to pay. But seriously, thank you. I will get my money sometime next year. It's the end of December, so it's really, yeah, next year. A really weird update, and I hope that it's a glitch, but I don't know, it's very suspicious. I just barely filmed what you just saw about 4 hours ago. So here's what happens when I pull up the app. There's no more loot box. The loot box is the little thing up in the top left corner that when you click on it, it shows you first which category of referral awards you're on. Then you click on the little eye icon and it takes you to how many orders you have. The loot box doesn't even show up. I've never had that happen before in the months and months, and it seems quite suspicious that it's the same day that I canceled deposit for the regular Roadster because I'm getting a free one, supposedly because of my referrals. So at first you would think, oh, it's just the app. That's it. I checked with Ben from Teslanomics. I checked from Zach from Cherry Rig Everything. They both have their loot box thing in there. So then here's the tricky part. You go onto my code on the website, and not only does it not pull up the regular page, but then it jumps to the terms and conditions and just shows that. Usually what it says is this. This is Marquez Brownlee's referral code. When you push enter on that one, it pulls up save with Marquez's referrals, and it shows all the different things. Then you scroll down a little bit and you see, oh look, he has 49 referrals. Good job, Marquez. You're 6 away from hitting a free Roadster. See, Marquez put $50,000 down on his Roadster also, so I would imagine he would do the same thing where he would call and cancel and then just wait for the free one to come. But for some reason, mine has disappeared. So, Tesla, anybody out there? I would like the free Roadster. We got lots of referrals. I canceled my Roadster, lost my place in line. Please help. Maybe it's just a weird glitch that only I'm getting. But don't you think it's a bit suspicious that it's like the same night, the same day that I canceled my Roadster deposit because I'm getting a free one? Probably just a glitch. Probably nothing to worry about or lose sleep about. But I'm probably gonna lose sleep over it. So stay tuned. I'll update you later. This is not like clickbait or some weird thing I'm making up for the video. I just wanted to show you what it's like to cancel your Roadster. Apparently if you cancel your base model one, it may cancel all the referrals you've ever had. Stay tuned.